customer. And I'm like, holy shit. I go into the bank, and I realize I didn't close out of the ATM. It ate my card. I don't have checks for that bank account. I've always been really nervous about losing that one card because, well, I have no access to any money now. So, I've been trying to figure out how to change a bank account on PayPal. Can't figure that out. You would think it would be easy. I Googled how to change a bank account on PayPal, and it says log in, go to profile. Okay. Couldn't figure out how to get to profile. I finally did figure that out.
By the way, these are not particulates. These are objects. Just for the record. So, with that being said, back to Carol. And her channel is called Never Lose Truth. Alright.
And there's no options for bank account. You know what the options are? I can change my name. I can change from a nickname to my full name, and I can correct typos. No joke. And all of the other options, there are no options for changing your bank account.
Whoa, what was that?
Then
Did you see that?
PayPal. How do I change a bank
Whoa,
account?
what's
And it
that?
says, go to payout settings. Where the hell is payout settings? Where's payout?
Okay. Oh my gosh, what is that? What is going on? Okay. I'm gonna sit right here and see if it happens again. Oh my goodness gracious, I can't. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Alright. Maybe I'm stoned. I don't know. Did you see what I saw? Oh my god, I can't believe this. This is where I am going to remain. Oh my goodness. Okay.